Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, great. Well. So just a few updates from my side. First of all, is the Now You Know podcast has now over 1,500 downloads. Wow, it's a milestone. And I thank you very much, and keep spreading the word around and let other people know about the Now You Know podcast, people who can benefit from, some digital marketing thoughts and social media, personal branding, anything that you believe that someone will get value out of the Now You Know podcast. So just, do me a favor and let others know about that. Okay, so let's go back here and continue talking about the haters, right? Today's episode is about don't delete, reply. Because when I said delete the haters comment, I was not referring to use this action on every comment you don't like. So I think we need to rewind that thought a little bit. So, it's not that there are comments that is negative, but it's fair. And we also need to be fair with that. Can be someone, has a different opinion than yours, and that's okay. Can be someone that is point out one mistake you did. That's also okay. Or point that you miss it. Again, okay. So they are actually not haters. Although sometimes they might lack a bit of kindness on their replies or comments.
The leads are weak.
The leads are weak. Fucking leads are weak. You're weak. I've been in this business 15 years.
What's your name?
Fuck you. That's my name. You know why, mister? Because you drove a Hyundai to get here tonight. I drove an $80,000 BMW. That's my name.
All right, so yeah, that's just a little bit extreme, but you got the point, right? So what you do is up to you. You can leave it unanswered. And again, we might talk about this again later. But you can try to reply in a very polite way. That's what I do, at least the first reply, to let the person know that you read their comment, but at the same time avoiding to give the person a reason to start a chain of negative replies or discussion. You can say something vague like, thank you for your comments, although I do not fully agree, I take your point, etc. Now, that's much more civilized than bitter comments as a reply, or curse, or she, cursing he or she for 5 generations to come, right? So if the person still keep the aggressive approach after that first chance that you gave it to her or him, by make, for example, a second hash comment or giving a dry reply, that you might be facing a hater, right? So you need to identify that. First, give it a chance, but if the person continue on that path, that means you are dealing with a hater. So if that is the case, you just stop the interactions and delete the comment and block and move on. That's exactly what I kind of explained on the previous episode, right? So as an action, work on a couple of plain vanilla but polite replies. You can make like a template for that. And you can use when you face such a situation online. Remember to keep it short, a phrase or two, because you don't want to get into a discussion or something that can be misinterpreted. So you want to avoid all that, right? So you keep it short, phrase or two will do it. All right, so as food for thoughts, going back to the leads, well, in this life, the leads always kind of be weak, but that's not an excuse for you not to make, the best of that. As the old saying goes, when life gives lemons, 99% of the people will try to make a lemonade out of the lemons, right? But if you want to be unique, you should make lemons ice cream or learn to juggle them, Try to always be unique. All right? See you soon again. Bye.
Tune in tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Same bat channel.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.